What's up, everybody? We're representing the Fat Boy Squad today. With that being said, I'm gonna eat a little post-workout chocolate. Oh, frick. A little post-workout chocolate piece. We're talking about the do's and don'ts if you're a gym beginner. If you've never set foot in a gym before, you're terrified of it, you're scared, it's big, it's bad, it's new, it's different. There's all these ripped guys in there, there's loud noises, weights. What do you do? What's the etiquette? How do you navigate a new gym? That's what I'm here to tell you about. Let's de-scarify the gym, de-terrify you of the gym. I don't want you to be scared of the gym. I've been there. I have lived that terrifying anxiety you have when you first walk into a gym and you don't know what any of these machines do. You don't know where you can do what or why people are doing that or who in the world is allowed to set their bag right there. That doesn't make any sense. So first thing when it comes to gym etiquette, some obvious things that I'm just going to get out of the way so we can talk about other things is don't curl in the squat rack. Do not be that guy. That can extrapolate out to don't do the wrong exercise in the wrong area. Now, a lot of commercial gyms are not going to have specified areas for things. They just kind of have machine area, free weight area, and it's kind of like do whatever you want, wherever you want, because it's a massive gym and nobody really gives a crap. But there are some basic gym etiquette things that you should know. Obviously, first one, don't curl in the squat rack. Don't do barbell curls in the squat rack. There are not that many squat racks. Go stand somewhere else and do your frickin' curls. Another thing is just be situationally aware, yes, of people around you. I understand everyone's in the zone in the gym. Like, I get in the zone when I'm doing my workout, but that doesn't mean that I'm so in the zone that I completely become a garbage human and I stop noticing if I'm like getting in somebody's way or if I'm doing something and they're like trying to get past me. It's like just be aware of everyone around you and you're gonna have a much happier time in the gym. People aren't gonna think you're this absolute loser. For example, I worked out at LA Fitness for a week when I was like trying to find a new gym. I went and did like the free week trial thing. And I tell you, that was the worst experience of my life. I will never, ever, please God, don't let me set foot in another LA Fitness ever again. Hated it. Every workout sucked so much. It was terrible. But for example, they had a cable machine and I was gonna go do some tricep extensions, like tricep pull downs. And I walked over there, there's nobody near this freaking cable. Like, I was eyeing it, all right? When I'm in a crowded gym and I'm doing my sets, I know what I'm doing next. It's like, okay, I'm doing whatever. I can't remember what I was doing, but I was doing my workout and I'm like, have 2 sets left. So I start eyeing the cable machine. I'm like, okay, is anyone working out over there? I don't see anybody. So I haven't seen anybody working out over there for a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Nobody's walked over to it. I hadn't seen them. And I finish up my workout and I stand there for a few minutes and I watch it and I'm like, okay, it doesn't look like anyone's over there. So I walk over to the cable machine, I start changing the attachments. Homeboy who's 20 feet away, literally just like this, leaning on the leg press machine, comes over and he's just like, hey, no, bro, yeah, no, actually I was using that. Okay, you're using it right now? Yeah, no, I've been using it, I'm doing my sets. Okay, that's cool. I'll go use something else then.
Thanks, bro.
And then he walks back to the leg press machine and is back over there like leaning on it. Don't do that. If you're using a machine, stand by the machine. Make it clear that you're using it. Sometimes I have to go to the restroom, so I leave my stuff there and I go to the restroom and then I come back. Again, also, I don't work out in a huge commercial gym anymore, so I don't really have to deal with that. But that's another thing. Just be situationally aware of the people around you and who's using what and what's going on. You can still be in the zone. Just don't be a freaking dick about things. Another big one is just wipe down your stuff. Be hygienic, right? Like, we know it's the gym and people are gonna sweat and you're gonna be a little stinky. Please, for the love of God, put deodorant on before you go to the gym. I have forgotten to do that before. For whatever reason, I blank and I didn't put on deodorant in the morning or however it works. I keep deodorant in my gym bag so I can put it on if all of a sudden I'm doing my first set and I'm like, oh, yikes. Sometimes I've walked into gyms and it's horrifying, the smell coming off of people or coming off of their gym bag or whatever. It's just like, please clean yourself and make sure you don't stink to the point where I can't function as a human, that nobody can function. Just the other day in my gym, it's a small private gym, just the other day the owner had to be like calling someone out because they stank. Like, their gym bag smelled like they had a dead raccoon in there. And she was like, whoever bag that is, please leave. Like, please get your bag out of the gym. Wash it, clean it, and then you can come back. So don't be that person. Also, just wipe down equipment when you're done with it, right? I'm not somebody who's a super germaphobe when it comes to the gym, because it's just like everybody's in there sweating and grunting and coughing and blah, everything is everywhere. But like if you're soaked in sweat and you use a machine, wipe it down. I've seen this in other gyms I've worked out in, where you go to use something and it's just like covered in sweat, and it's not wet from somebody wiping it down. You can tell the difference because there's still smell coming off of it, and you're just like, ugh, you know, and it's in the perfect shape of somebody's like head or butt. Just wipe down the machines. Just wipe them down, okay? It's really not that hard. Those are a lot of the big don'ts. Don't do those things. Just be a decent human. Some of the big do's, some stuff to do when you first get to a gym, talk to the gym staff. Ask them, are there any gym rules? Because it changes gym to gym. There's some gyms I've been in where they've been like, no bags are allowed on the floor. You can't carry your gym bag on the floor. It has to be in the locker room. And it's like, okay, I get that. That's a little annoying, but whatever. I adjusted, right? Same thing with the current gym I work out at. It's a very small private gym. They're like, please don't take your bag onto the floor. You can take like your, you know, your workout book, your water bottle, whatever out there, but please leave your big bulky gym bags in the like bag area. They have a massive bag area for everyone to put their bags. Big lockers. It's real nice. If you don't know what a machine does, ask somebody. I have never, ever, in all the years I've been working out, gotten annoyed when somebody asks me a question like, how does this work? Or how do you do that? Or do you know what this machine does? I'm always going to say, I can help you. And if I can't help you, I'll be like, you can talk to the owner, because hopefully they know what the equipment in their gym does. Plus, most gym equipment has signage on it that tells you what to do. So you can just go look at it and figure it out. And again, if you're too scared to do that, ask somebody, which is probably the biggest piece of advice I can give to somebody who's new or scared of the gym, is just ask somebody. The slight embarrassment you're gonna feel for not knowing something is way better than hurting yourself or breaking a piece of equipment or hurting somebody else because you're doing something the wrong way. Just ask somebody. I personally have never gotten annoyed, like I just said. I don't know anybody who is a good person in this industry who gets annoyed or thinks you're an idiot if you ask them a question about the gym. They want to help you. They want to see you succeed. They want you to use the equipment properly. When I first started working out in the gym I'm working in right now, they have a lot of specific equipment for specific things. Like they have bars that you can only use to deadlift. They have bars that you can only use to squat with. They have specific rules about specific things, and I didn't know that when I first got there. So there was multiple times in the first few months that I worked out there that I had to ask somebody, how does this work? Can I do this here? Can I do this exercise right now? And a lot of the time the answer was no. And it was like, please go do that workout there. Please use this bar instead of that bar. You know, nobody was like pissed off at me. It was always like, oh, you don't know. Okay, let me tell you. I get the gym is a big scary place, especially if you're new. Hopefully you have somebody that you can go with who is experienced that can help you get through that first time being in the gym. But if you don't, hopefully you can take something away from this video and apply it to your life to make going to the gym a more fun experience. I know for a lot of people it's not a fun experience. I absolutely love it. A lot of people don't. I wish a lot more people did, but I totally get why you don't. So that's it. Those are the do's and don'ts in no particular order. If you did enjoy the video, that'd be great if you could leave a like, comment, subscribe for more fun fitness videos. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing next, but I'm gonna be doing things next and again and soon. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you later. I don't know why I say that, because you're not here, but I'll talk to you guys later.